Hello! The EUNIS 2021 Congress will be taking place 100% virtually due to the pandemic. But we wanted you to know that there will still be a distinctively Greek atmosphere to the event. As well as our great lineup of presentations, roundtables and workshops, we've also created our very own Greek island, a virtual space for Congress participants to get together and meet each other and our partners. We'll be releasing details shortly to registered participants. In the meantime, to get ready for it, why not try and find yourself some halloumi for our beach barbecues? Or maybe get hold of a bottle of Retsina to toast the EUNIS award winners in the taverna. Registration for the Congress is free and open to all, so why not join us in June for a little bit of Greek sunshine at home. Yassou!